Hi, Gilbert again, showing you more uses for the ADA squish ball. And today, with the help of Greg, the high school PE teacher at Pescadero, we're going to show you some very simple lead-up volleyball skills intended for the beginner elementary level player. The nice thing about these squish balls is they're almost the size of a volleyball, almost the same weight, but there's no sting whatsoever. So that is the nice part. And let me just start by saying that with volleyball, the first thing I teach my class is how to correctly put your arms together. There are several ways, but the way I like to show it is simply, if you are right-handed, make a loose right fist, and then with your left hand, cover it like this, so that your two thumbs are parallel, your wrists are together, and then you want to basically put the forearms close together and be able to bump. So the first one that I'm going to show you, and I would have each of my students spread out and have their own ball, and they're going to do this. Now, with the ADA balls, keep in mind, they come in different sizes. This is the bigger, the medium, and the small. If you have students who are pretty good at volleyball already, to up the challenge for them, have them use a smaller ball. I'm using the bigger one today. But the medium and the small would be more difficult doing the exact same thing. So, and if you can do it with a small ball, I guarantee you that kid is ready for primetime volleyball. But the first one is very simple. After I've shown them how to create the correct platform to bump the volleyball, first step is they're going to take the ball, just simply toss it up and just bump it up and then catch it like this. So when they can bump it up like that and catch it, that will be step number one. Step number two would be don't catch it, but keep on bumping. So let's demonstrate that. So you toss the ball up and basically over and over again, bump the ball without stopping. One little side note, and that is, I never say to the kids, this is the easy one, okay? I don't ever say easy for the simple reason, if they can't do it, then it's embarrassing. I can't even do the easy one. I always start by saying, okay, this is the hard, this is hard, all right? You guys try your best, it's hard. Can you do this? Then I'm gonna say, okay, the next one is even harder, and I'm gonna show them the harder one. And then the hardest one will be, this time when you bump the ball, every time the ball is off your arms, I want your arms to come apart and connect them again to bump it again without stopping. So Greg, you think you can demonstrate that one?
I think I can.
All right, he's the pro. So Greg is going to show us. Go ahead and toss it. I'm going to just watch. He bumps, he bumps, he bumps. Now what is the purpose of that? Is simply so that you're checking to see if the kids know how to put their arms together without having to look down at their own arms. Because most beginners in volleyball, if their arms are apart, when the ball comes, they look at their arm before and then they go back. No. Look at the ball the whole time. Be able to put the arms together without having to look down. So that is what that last little drill does. And all these things are just lead up for the kids to learning how to do the basic bump. Okay? Thank you and enjoy your activities.